Next question, question number 19. The blue color of water in the sea is due to dash. Option A, reflection by the blue sky, reflection of the blue sky by the sea water, reflection of the blue light by the impurities of the sea water. Option C, scattering of the blue light by the water molecules, and option D, absorption of the other colors except blue by the water molecules. So here you can see, as you know, blue, and blue has the smallest wavelength, and it is scattered most by the water molecule. तो सबुठ अधिक scatter माने they basically scatter it in different direction. Okay, since it has the smallest wavelength, तो सटे पे हमको blue दिसता है. Okay, others red, orange, they are all absorbed. Okay, so एक क्वेश्चन में ठीक है ambiguous भी अच्छी सी. Option D you can see absorption of other colors except blue by the water molecule. So even this is partially correct. Okay, so these kind of ambiguous question will always be there. So whatever is most suitable, you have to give that answer. Next, audible range for the adult human being is. So this is a question from physics sound and very easy. The correct answer is 20 to 20 kilohertz. 20 to 20 kilohertz. Below it is infrasonic. Above it is ultrasonic. Ultrasonic is used in many applications. For example, sonar, detecting the crack, detecting in ultrasound of the babies. So yes, next, 92. The question is asking, human blood is red in color because of the presence of dash. So why does the human blood look red? Option A, hemoglobin is in the red blood cell. Option B, hemoglobin in plasma. Option C, presence of hemocyanin in RBC. Option D, hemosider in plasma. The correct answer is option B, hemoglobin in the RBC. So as you know, what is hemoglobin? It is a protein. And it has a complex with the iron molecule. It forms a complex with the iron molecule, and hence they transmit oxygen in the entire body and it looks red. Okay. Next question, it is asking, which of the following chemical is known as vitamin C? Citric acid, lactic acid, folic acid, ascorbic acid. So the correct answer is ascorbic acid. As you can see, these 15 questions of science and tech are very easy. Some of them are confusing, but otherwise the questions are very easy. So you can also watch my science and tech course from Unacademy, that is done. And while subscribing to Unacademy, use the referral code YAKYA9 for additional 10% discount. Next, saffron is obtained from the dash of the plant. Question number 94. Leaves, stem, anther and whole flower, stigma and style. So as you know, saffron is basically the female part of the flower, and what is the female part called as? Stigma and style, which is yellow in color. Saffron ro na kon thai? Crocus sativus. Okay, so it is basically cultivated in your Jammu Kashmir in India. अब काफ़ी saffron हमें import करता हो इंडिया रे, because Indian saffron is bit expensive. Next question, it is asking, question number 95. Silk is a dash, synthetic product, animal product, plant product and man-made product. The correct answer is option B, animal product. Option C, instrument used to observe changes in the solar system is dash. The options are Hubble telescope, electron telescope, microscope, both B and C. So the correct answer is Hubble telescope. In the solar system it is used. Next question, it is asking, question number 97. Fuse wire used in the electric instruments are made up of dash. So as you know, the electric instrument, if they are heavy appliances, so they may burn out if there is a high current, sudden high current will burn out because of the I square R effect, I square RT heat effect. So we always want ki current should be limited and optimum. So if there is a high flow, then we will use a fuse here, jaharo ki low melting point rahega. So we require this low melting point, or low melting point ko remain lead out and remain. So the correct answer options देइए pure zinc, pure lead, lead and tin alloy, lead और zinc alloy. तो correct answer है lead and tin alloy. Next question, it is asking, question number 98. The rockets are designed to carry dash, payload, scientific instruments, satellites, all of these. Correct answer होची all of these. Next, the EEG electroencephalograph is used to measure the functioning of dash heart, brain, skeletal muscles, all of the above. So EEG is basically for the brain. Next, acid rain. Last question of the day. Acid rain is caused by the increase in the atmospheric concentration of the dash ozone and dust, SO and NO, CO, CFC. So acid rain when H2O is added with some of the things जोटा कि ताको acid बने देबो, for example HNO3 or H2SO4, and that can be done by the SOX, NOx. So the correct answer is option B, SO and NO. So this was the discussion of OPSC 2019 paper. I hope you liked the discussion. You can watch my courses on Polity from M. Lakshmikant, Science and Technology, full length courses, Geography, Indian Geography, World Geography, Physical Geography, Environment Ecology, even Current Affairs. So all these courses are available on my Unacademy platform that you can find at unacademy.com/yagya9, YAGYA9. And if you're subscribing to Unacademy, then you can use my referral code YAGYA9 for 10% discount. So if you like the session, do consider subscribing it, liking and sharing the session with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. All the best for the exams.